Put stuff away. Put stuff away. Put stuff away. Stuff away. Put stuff away. Put stuff away.
The playground equipment is gone. Eek! No trolley slide! No!
Why would someone steal a playground?
Maybe those kids saw who did this.
Let's go ask them some questions, detectives. Hello, did you see what the person who took everything looked like?
Oh, I'll draw what they say. I'm great at drawing, especially dinosaurs. But a dinosaur probably didn't do it.
Here, Liam, you can use my tablet.
Thanks, Ruby. Okay, what did he look like?
He was big.
No, he was short with red hair.
He was wearing cowboy boots.
So whoever took everything looks kind of like this.
He went really fast. It was kind of hard to tell what he looked like.
It's your cleaner upper 5000!
Stuff away.
It's getting away!
Not on our detective watch.
Put stuff away. Put stuff away.
It took all the stuff back to the recycling yard.
And put it all away.
Put stuff away. Put stuff away.
There's nowhere else to run.
Stuff away. Stuff away. Put stuff away. Put stuff away.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Victory detected.
The cleaner upper is damaged. That explains it.
Looks like it's short-circuited.
The good news is I can fix it, and then it'll be a good old cleaning bot again. And put this stuff back.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.